Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your handheld supports external video and grabbing the official dock or an approved HDMI adapter. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, plug the console's power supply into the dock or adapter, then connect one HDMI cable from that dock to the TV's HDMI port. Turn on the TV and select that HDMI input. Once done, power the console. You should see a boot or connection indicator on screen. If not, keep the power sequence steady and recheck cables. Once the console is recognized by the TV, go into Settings and choose Display Options. Resolution, refresh rate, and aspect ratio. Set 16:9 for full screen on most TVs. Make sure audio is routed to HDMI or TV speakers. Choose stereo or surround depending on your receiver. If games appear stretched or black bars show, change pixel scaling or switch between 720p and 1080p to match the TV. Remember you finish by launching a game to confirm controller pairing and performance on the TV. Check latency and responsiveness. Fine-tune in-game graphics or motion smoothing if the image looks soft or judders, and make sure the controller is in TV mode rather than handheld. If you run into issues, one key troubleshooting step is simple. Reseat the HDMI and power cables, switch to another HDMI port or cable, and reboot the console. Many display problems resolve with a full power cycle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.